Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Vimeo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use the Vimeo video teleprompter? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use a teleprompter with your Vimeo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and video is a part of it, you know that recording a script can be difficult to memorize, and with the teleprompter in Vimeo, it makes it easy just to read it off while you're recording your video. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Vimeo account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged in, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and use the Vimeo teleprompter, you're going to go ahead and click on this new button here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, record video. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to open up your video recorder. That's kind of weird. There's two of them. So basically, if you want to go ahead and use the Vimeo teleprompter, down here on the bottom, there's this little sheet of paper. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you click there, you want to go ahead and just grab your transcript and you're just going to paste it right into here. Or you can go ahead and start typing it away. So I'm going to go ahead and type one in. Okay, so I went ahead and typed it in. So now when I hit record, I can go ahead and just read off right here. And the nice thing is the teleprompter is right up here towards the top of the screen. So it's not going to look like I'm looking off somewhere else. Now, if you don't have a script to use in your teleprompter in Vimeo, you can click on this little sparkle thing. If you have the paid plan, then you get an AI script generator. You just click on there and you can just go ahead and type what you want your script to say. So maybe I'll just go ahead and copy this about Abraham Lincoln again. Okay, so I went ahead and typed it in here. You can go ahead and ask them to be funny, and you can also ask them to write for a 5th grade level. That's up to you. All right, and then you just click enter, and it's starting to process right now. Okay, so now it has my transcript already created, and I can just read it right off the teleprompter. Introducing the legendary Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the United States. Honest Abe. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use the Vimeo teleprompter, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.